welcome to Hybiz News with me, Isma. Kokapet, August 4, 2025. Hami Aesthetics has inaugurated India's largest 3M car care studio in Kokapet, Hyderabad, marking a significant expansion of its presence in the premium car care segment. This new facility becomes the third studio under the Hami brand following successful operations in Nallagandla and Kompally. The grand launch was graced by prominent political leaders including T. Prakash Gowd, MLA of Rajendra Nagar, Arakapudi Gandhi, MLA of Srilingampalli, and Dr. A.C. Sampath Kumar, AICC Secretary. Their presence highlighted the growing importance of high-end automotive services in the region. Spread across the sprawling space, the Kokapet studio is equipped with the state-of-the-art infrastructure and trained professionals offering a wide range of 3M certified services. These include car detailing, ceramic coating, paint protection film or PPF installations, sun control films and interior sanitization among others. Hami Aesthetics, in partnership with 3M, aims to elevate the car care experience by combining advanced automotive aesthetics with exceptional customer service. The Kokapet studio is designed to handle high volumes while maintaining global standards in service delivery. With Hyderabad's automotive aftermarket witnessing rising demand for quality services, this launch reinforces Hami's leadership in the sector. The company also hinted at further expansion plans across Telangana and other metro cities. The new facility not only represents a major leap in infrastructure but also sets a new benchmark for car care studios across India. That's all for today. Stay connected to Hybiz TV. Thank you.